Have you ever just stopped, just sat, just looked at what's in front of you, marveled at the beauty of the simplicity of things that we take for granted every day? Just been sitting here marveling at this leaf that has all these little veins that was once on a tree and now has completely changed color. Does that not fascinate you? This fallen to the ground to be turned into compost and food for the things that are on the ground, only to be replaced with more leaves when the weather changes. We have so much to be grateful for. We have so much to marvel at. The pure simplicity of the trees and the ground and the grass and the leaves and the moss and the sun and the blue sky. Stop. Take a breath.